Hey everyone, it's me, Dana with Creatively Created Crochet, and I wanted to stop by and tell you hello, happy Tuesday. I hope you're enjoying your day and staying safe. That is the most important thing in these times, staying safe. I wanted to do a national call out to all of my crafter family, and I wanted to say thank you so much for your support on watching my tutorials and my videos. Now, I wanted to do this because a couple of my friends decided to work together and create an awesome project using the C2C. As you know, I have now began to film some tutorials on how to do C2C and different techniques. So I would love to call you all out if you are not working on anything or you want to create a new whip to start this awesome pattern. It will be in the links, so it will be actually in my description box. Let me rephrase that so you guys can go ahead and click on that and we can begin. So let's go ahead and get started. I will be going live Thursday on YouTube where we can all work together and we can do it together and see what you guys come up with. I am going to be making mine a scrap blanket just because I just wanted to just use my scrap yarn up and I didn't want to use any of my good yarn, so it's going to be something fun to do. So again, if you want to do it with me, please click the link in the description box and we can work on it together. Let's have some fun with the C2C. Let's have some fun while we're being safe and let's be productive. Love you guys.